you all on my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you coloring of a teapot. So this is the sketch of teapot. I have downloaded the image from Pinterest. Thank you Pinterest for providing such a nice photograph. And so this is the sketch of teapot. So let's color. So I have used yellow ochre color over here and light wash of yellow ochre. I'm going to leave white space of paper without coloring as highlight. So this is the first wash. So here I have used plenty of water so that my color will become flowy and I can give even wash. So now let's start with dark touches. So for this dark shade I have used burnt sienna and yellow ochre color. So gradually I am going to add dark touches. So this teapot is round in shape, so accordingly the light and shadow will fall on it. To make it more darker, I have used thin color, and wherever it is necessary I am adding burnt sienna also. Now here I have added little more burnt sienna, so it has become more darker. So let's work on lid of the teapot. Now this part of teapot is which help us to lift the lid. So I'm trying to color it, and as it is round in shape, there is one highlight also, and the lower part of it is less exposed to the light, that is why it is darker. So I use darker shade over here. इकडे जनरली मी काय करते आता सगळ्या ड्रॉइंगवरती थोडं सायमल्टेनियसली काम करते, म्हणजे त्यामुळे मला वेगवेगळ्या टेक्निक्सचा यूज करता येतो. नाऊ द part which I am coloring, the wash is fully dried, so I want very sharp dark shade there, so I use very thick color for that. And whenever it is necessary to use technique wet in wet, I use half dried part. साधारणपणे एक साथ सगळीकडे काम केल्यानंतर आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या टेक्निक्सचा वॉटर कलरमध्ये जे यूज होतात त्याचा वापर करता येतो. I will make one video also on that, the different techniques which are used while coloring, how to give even wash, wet in wet, dry brush strokes. So here is some extra dark part. I want to give some extra dark color there, which is really very less exposed to the light. इकडे सगळ्यात जास्त अंधार पडलेला आहे आणि इकडे हँडलच्या वरच्या भागाला सुद्धा एक हायलाइट आहे. detailing is most important part which will take more time. तुम्हाला वॉश द्यायला जास्त वेळ नाही लागणार किंवा हलकेसे डार्क टचेस करायला पण वेळ नाही लागणार, पण तुम्हाला डिटेलिंग करायचं असेल त्यावेळेस मात्र वेळ लागेल. नाउ अगेन मीडियम shade I want here, so I am adding medium shade to my wash, for which I have used yellow ochre and I have added little chrome yellow also, so it's giving very nice bright yellow shade which I want. This is the highlight. So let's add some more dark touches. This highlight is giving very nice effect. After adding more dark touches, definitely it will help to give 3D look. So this is the bottom of the teapot. Again, like handle, it is also very less exposed to the light. इकडे सगळ्यात जास्त अंधार पडलेला आहे, ते पण डार्क टचेस ॲड केलेले. So this is the spout, so let's add again little darker shade, so it will give very nice 3D effect. Now let's add shadow and the bottom of the teapot, lower part of teapot is less exposed to the light, so again it will be darker. So I'm going to add here dark touches. So nice. I'm very happy with the drawing. Oh, now this has become little greenish shade, so I'm going to lift the color. I don't want this. So our teapot is completed now. Thank you very much for watching me. Follow me on Instagram and don't forget to subscribe my channel, those who are new, for latest updates of new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.